For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
New coronavirus cases in India declined for second straight day. On Tuesday, the country reported 18,522 fresh COVID-19 cases. India's coronavirus count on June 30th increased to 5,66,840. 418 fresh deaths were reported in the last 24 hours, taking the death toll to 16,839. There are 2,15,125 active cases of COVID-19 in India, and all are under medical supervision. Of the total cases, 3,34,821 have been successfully treated. Fresh cases dropped for the second straight day after hitting a record on Sunday. As per the latest data released by the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, the confirmed cases in India is over 5,66,000, while the number of people who have recovered and have been discharged are at over 3.34 lakh. The active cases in India are over 2.15 lakh. 16,839 people have succumbed to the deadly infection. India's recovery rate has improved to reach 59.06%. Maharashtra remains the worst affected state in the country due to COVID-19 with over 1.69 lakh cases. The state has registered over 7,600 COVID-19 related deaths. Tamil Nadu, the second worst affected state due to COVID-19, has registered over 86,000 cases, while over 1,400 people have died due to the deadly pandemic. Delhi has registered over 85,000 cases and more than 2,600 people have lost their lives. Gujarat has over 31,000 cases and the deaths in the state stand at 1,827. Uttar Pradesh has over 22,000 cases, while over 670 people have died due to the deadly virus. Lastly on the list is Rajasthan, which has over 17,600 cases with over 400 deaths. 8 states including Maharashtra, Delhi and Tamil Nadu account for 85.5% of the active COVID-19 cases. The Union Ministry of Home Affairs issued guidelines for Unlock 2 phase across country between July 1st and July 31st. However, lockdown will continue in containment zones. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is expected to address the nation today at 4 p.m. Uttarakhand, Ladakh, Jharkhand, Tripura, Manipur, Goa and Himachal Pradesh and Puducherry have less than 3,000 cases. Mizoram, Chandigarh, Nagaland, Arunachal Pradesh have reported over 500 COVID-19 cases. Across India, a total of 86,08,654 samples have been tested so far.